So for many of you that are runners, you understand that occasionally you can get knee pain. And there can be a lot of different reasons why you get knee pain, but one of them they're starting to look at a little more closely is how you position your trunk. And what it comes down to is really looking at the physics of how force is distributed and which muscles get engaged to accommodate that force. So often when you're running, people tell you to stand upright, relax the shoulders back. But in that case, if you end up leaning too far back and upright, you start to engage more of the muscles in the front, your hip flexors and your quads, to help support you from falling backwards. Whereas if you were to lean slightly forward, you get more of the muscles engaged in through the back of the leg, and you can feel that if you try on yourself. And what it really comes down to is if you get a slight bend forward as you run, you can help take some of that force away from the front of the knees, and thereby reducing the strain and the stress that goes through there, and ultimately reducing the pain. So again, there can be a lot of different reasons why you get knee pain, and I would certainly urge you to see a doctor, see a physical therapist, or some healthcare professional to look at why you're having knee pain. But a quick thing that you can just try and see whether or not it affects you in any great way is to just have a slight bend forward. Certainly back pain can be something that would limit the effectiveness of this, and I wouldn't urge you to continue that if it starts to have pain otherwise. It's something that's in the early phases of research and understanding, but it's a quick thing that I think I'd pass on to others to try and see how it works for you. Let me know how it goes, and I'll be happy to talk to you more about it. Bye.